Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own reports within the Maya Marketing Performance app. First, click on the pencil at the top right corner, which will lead you to your workspace. From there, click on New, select Report, and pick a published dataset to use for your report. In this case, you need to select the app's dataset. Now you have a pretty basic setup to start creating your report. Click on the Edit button to switch to edit mode. In our case, we will start with a blank canvas. To start, let's add a Spend Dimension Selector graph column, which will turn into a slicer so we can use it to filter the data. Then we'll add Spend Dimension Selector graph, we will turn it into a matrix, and then add the Maya Measures Selector bars as values. With this basic table setup, we can make adjustments by selecting different dimensions from the slicer on the left. Keep in mind, you can select multiple dimensions to really drill down and get a closer look at each segment. Power BI has a ton of features, so you can really create any kind of report you need, format it to your liking, and add different styles, fonts, and colors. Here's a full example of what you can create. Now you just hit Save, give your report a name, and save it to the app's workspace. Then when you update the app, you'll be able to view your custom report within the Maya Marketing Performance app. Have fun creating your fine reports. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.